I asked. It's a new year. It's a new year.
Oh, last time this year.
One chance.
One chance?
I mean, just this.
Just one more.
One more chance, please.
You know what, Mr. Scott?
One more chance.
No.
I just want
Mr.
one
Scott.
chance, please.
Mr. Scott.
I want to be in jail.
I know you don't want to be in jail, but you got to listen to what we're telling you.
Mr. Simpson, please just give me one
Mr.
chance.
Scott.
I don't want to be locked up.
Mr. Scott, I know you
I
don't.
don't want to be locked up, man. Every time I get
Mr.
locked up, somebody put their hands on me or do something to me in here.
Okay, Mr. Scott.
You don't know.
Whoa.
No,
really?
I'm not saying.
Seriously?
No, I'm not.
I think
like
you
that.
need to stop about now.
No, I'm saying like.
I think you need, Mr. Scott, you need to stop about now.
All right, guys. We've got a guy in court again who just won't learn his lesson. Every time he gets out of jail, he begs for mercy, but Judge Simpson isn't buying it. He's laughing because this is just unreal. How many chances does this guy expect? Let me know what you think. What's his IQ? Let's see how the judge handles him. This one's gonna be good.
What are we doing?
Thank you, Judge. We were here a couple weeks ago on these two cases. Mr. Scott has a bond violation, which is why he is back incarcerated for allegedly going to a no-go-to area on conditions. Obviously, I met with him in jail. He understands he's put himself in another bad position. He doesn't have a great excuse for it. He doesn't have a great excuse for it. He acknowledges that he messed up in this matter. He's asking the court to let him out again.
To do what?
To let him out again. He is saying that he has applied for Social Security, and if he is not out, he will lose his ability to get that Social Security as well as his disability. And he has a healthcare situation where he needs to get a shot that his insurance has to pay for, that he won't be able to go out and get if he's incarcerated, Your Honor. So he's asking me to consider releasing him back on a personal bond. But what I'm hoping to have done with the case, Your Honor, is just to adjourn the PCC for a couple of weeks so that we can see if we get something resolved on it.
No objection to the adjournment. People's position unbound.
Misunderstanding. But his violation is not just going back to the area he was ordered to not go back to. It's that he gets there, he decides to assault more police officers. That's the violation. So he was arraigned, I apologize, we'll get these things to you. He was arraigned on February 13th on an RNO and a trespass from Village Grove. He was told not to commit any additional crimes, no assaultive behavior, and no go-to. So he goes back to Village Grove, he commits more crimes, he assaults more police officers, and he goes to where he's not supposed to go.
No, look at me, Barak.
Yes, sir.
You're telling me that's wrong.
No.
So now we're here on these two cases. In addition to that, so Mr. Easter's done a fantastic job where he does files, well, he does all his files. He has tried to negotiate.
Except the dog way.
Except the dog way.
Wait, go ahead.
He has tried to negotiate this case with me. I've explained to him that I do not intend to make Mr. Ponte Scott any offers. He just finished a jail sentence in the fall for RNO.
I know.
This is a person that was sentenced to Washington County Jail for RNO, gets out, it's 2 new RNO cases. Your Honor, his bond actually is low, but I wasn't the one making the request. $5,000 is low for what he's done, but I'm asking Your Honor not to grant the PR bond to the bond as is if you're not inclined to increase it.
Only thing I'll say, Judge, is that Mr. Scott was under the impression that his violation was for the trespass. Now he's heard Ms. Hughes' understanding about the RNO.
He does this every time.
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, no, what are you going to say?
I'm sorry. I don't want to get in no more trouble. I just did.
Mr. Scott, every time.
This repeat offender is acting sorry, but it's honestly funny. Like, maybe just don't commit a crime? And if you get lucky and walk free, why go right back to the place you were banned from? That's like cheating on a test, promising you won't do it again, then pulling out the answers 5 minutes later. What did he expect? Judges hate this. Ignoring court orders is basically saying, yeah, I heard you, but I don't care. That's called contempt of court, which can mean more jail time, bigger fines, or stricter conditions, if they even let you out again. This guy is just asking for trouble.
You come here, you plead with me, let me out, let me out. I usually say no, no, no. Then finally I let you out. And what do? You go right. This is not. I realize that you've not been convicted of anything, but I will say this. This is not the first time that you've been someplace, something happens, you're not supposed to go back, tell you not to go back, and what happens? You go back, and you either come back before me on a bond violation, or you come back with a new case because of what you did when you got there. And by the way, other problem that happens is that when you go back to these places, naturally, the police get called. And then you start having issues with them. And
I won't have no issues. I promise you. Look, I promise this time, because I just did a year. I won't have no issues if you let me out. I'll do the right thing and I won't go back. Just one chance,
one chance?
I mean, just
one more.
One more chance, please, Your Honor. And I promise I won't go back. Just give me this chance and I'll do everything right. I'm trying to start fresh. Fresh. I just want one chance from you. And
you know what, Mr. Scott?
One more chance.
No. And today, I'm going to tell you no.
Please, Your Honor. Please, because my grandma's birthday is on the 24th, and I really want to.
I know. And
I don't want to be in jail. I can't. I will do just give me this chance. I promise you, if I go back, I deserve to be locked up, but I won't go back. I won't go back. I won't go back.
Mr. Scott.
I just want one chance, please.
Mr. Scott.
I want to be in jail.
I know you don't want to be in jail, but you got to listen to what we're telling you.
Okay.
You remember I even put you on a tether. I know, but that didn't work either.
I'll do that.
Mr. Scott.
I'll do whatever you want me to do, and I promise you, this time I won't mess up. I won't mess up, Your Honor. Please, just trust in me.
You want me to go get the last 3 recordings when you told me that?
No.
No, because you told me the same thing.
No, but I'm telling you the truth. If
Why isn't Judge Simpson believing this guy? Honestly, I'm getting mad. Like, come on, he's obviously telling the truth. He'd never go back there again. Except for the multiple times he already did after being told not to. Totally trustworthy, right? This is like when a kid swears they won't touch the cookies again, but their face is covered in crumbs. Judges see this all the time. Ignoring court orders over and over is called recidivism, which is just a fancy way of saying this guy does not learn. And the legal system isn't handing out unlimited free passes. So yeah, even if he's telling the truth this time, jail is probably next. But seriously, do you think something's wrong with him? Because who just keeps going back to the exact place they were banned from? He's practically asking to be locked up.
I deserve a chance. This time. Because I just did a year. Just give me a chance for this time, and I will do everything right. I won't go back to Village Grove. I won't catch nothing. And I promise you, this time, it's going to be the last time I ask. It's a new year.
Oh, last time this year.
No, the last time I asked for anything. And if I don't follow your rules, I deserve to be locked up. I just want a chance to be back in the community, be with my family. Because if it's gonna be hard, my Social Security been cut off for a whole year. I haven't even got my check yet and then I gotta get my shot on Monday. If I don't, they can't give me my shot in here because it's a $10,000 shot. But I do need my shots. I have to go to CMH. I'm starting my new job next week. At CMH building. Just give me this chance so I can do all this stuff. And if I promise you, this will be the last time I promise you anything.
Is this Groundhog Day? Because this is the same thing I hear.
But I'm telling you,
how many times have you told me this?
All right.
This is like the 4th time.
Let's make a deal.
Oh, well, okay. So we're gonna start negotiating.
Yeah, we're gonna. Okay. All right. So if
you realize this isn't a fair negotiation,
because you're the judge and I'm not.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
but
okay, as long as we understand that, go ahead.
all right, this would be this would be a bigger deal. If I get any more trouble, you can lock me up for a whole nother year. I just don't want to get in no more
I
trouble.
don't, Mr.
I
Scott,
don't want to get, listen, I
you
don't
don't
want to get in
wanna
no
do
more
that.
trouble, Your Honor.
I know you don't want to, you can't help
Well,
it.
I can't help it, but I do need my shots. And if I don't